The drive chain is what keeps your motorcycle moving. It should be cleaned and lubricated regularly. Hi, my name is Karen and today I'm going to tell you about how to clean your motorcycle's drive chain and lubricate it. Well, it's very easy. Let me show you how you can do it on your own just by following few steps. But to start with, you need few things such as Suzuki approved chain cleaner, a lubrication spray, a brush for cleaning, a piece of dry cloth. All these are available at Suzuki dealership near you. That's it. Let's get started. First of all, make sure that your motorcycle is on the main stand. Before use of Suzuki approved chain cleaner spray, remove visible dirt and dust with the help of dry cotton cloth or a brush. Be careful while doing so and make sure you're not damaging the seal ring. Further, rotate the rear wheel while applying the Suzuki approved chain cleaner spray on the drive chain link, and once it's done, leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. Use a soft brush to clean the drive chain and wipe the drive chain with the dry cotton cloth. Once the drive chain is perfectly cleaned, wait for 5 minutes to dry. Then apply the Suzuki approved lubricant spray with the help of nozzle. Make sure you wipe off the excess lubricant after lubricating all around the drive chain. Please be very cautious while operating the drive chain as it can lead to finger injury as well. Thereafter, once the drive chain is lubricated completely, make sure not to wash the motorcycle for a while after lubrication. That's it. Let's check the drive chain movement by turning on the engine. Always remember to clean the drive chain and lubricate it after every 1000 kilometers. Now you know how to clean and lubricate the drive chain on your own.